Today I'm going to show you how to get a ripe avocado and how to slice it. First of all, you feel the outside. It should be nice and soft to touch. But the main thing is the tip here. If you press there and it springs back up, then your avocado is ready to go. If it's not ripe, if you place it in with bananas, then that's how it'll ripen. First of all, we're going to half it like this. Open it up, that's nice and ripe. Then we're going to get a spoon to scoop it out into the nice avocado shape. And then on this side, you get a large knife straight into the stone, turn slightly, and it'll lift out. And then you have avocado. If you put a little bit of lemon juice on it, it'll keep it for a little bit longer. And then you just thinly slice and fan it out like that. Thanks for watching today's skills video on avocado. Please subscribe below and leave some comments. And don't forget to check out my other skills videos like taking the seeds out of a pomegranate and a recipe like sushi where you can use the avocado. Thanks, we'll see you soon.